Okay, so let us begin with the next sum. Question number 3, exercise 1.3. So this is a very basic question which I have already explained in introduction video as well. So what we have asked us to find is fog and Goff, which is very basic. Okay, so let us find the first one, first sub question, where f of x is mod x and g of x is 5x minus 2 whole mod. Okay, so first we will find fog x. So again the same thing, this circle opens up and it will give you g of f of x is equals to. Now wait at this point and see f high ikkada be f high. What is inside here? X. That's why you are getting x. If it was y, you would get y. If it was z, you would get z. But what we have here? G of x. It means g of x should come inside. Understanding? Don't forget to put mod. Now, but what you know, g of x is equals to mod of 5x minus 2. Okay, so previous पहिलाचा mod इकडे आहे आणि additional mod आहे ह्याला. So therefore mod 5 and mod 2 mod. Okay, so which is equal to now, so therefore 5x minus 2, a single mod if you keep also it's okay. Understanding? So this is nothing but fog y. Okay, I mean fog x. Now next one, let us find Goff x. आणि काय होणार, सर्कल ओपन होणार, it will give you g of f of x. Okay, now wait and check what is here g. मग g कडे बघा, g चा आत काय आहे, x आहे. Here x is there, so x is appearing. If y was there, y would appear. z असलं तर z आलं असतं. खरं काय आहे आपल्याकडे, f of x आहे, म्हणजे x च्या बदली f of x आला पाहिजे. So mod of 5 into f of x minus 2. Understood? But what you know, f of x is equals to mod x. So therefore पहिलाचा mod इकडा mod x minus 2, which is nothing but 5 mod x minus 2. You can keep it as it is. So this is nothing but your Goff x. Okay, so let us see the second sub question. Solution for second sub question. Here f of x they have given it as 8x cube and g of x is x raised to 1 over 3. Okay, so now what you have asked to find is fog x. Okay, again this circle splits up, it will give you g of f of x. At this point wait, what is f here? f आहे म्हणजे ह्याला बघायचं, इथं x आहे म्हणून इकडे x आलंय, y असलं तर y आलं असतं, z असलं तर z आलं असतं. बट व्हॉट यू हॅव इनसाइड हिअर, g ऑफ x. सो देअरफॉर 8 इंटू x च्या बदली g ऑफ x येत आहे, ठीक आहे, आणि क्यूब तसंच राहणार. बट व्हॉट यू नो, व्हॉट इज g ऑफ x? g ऑफ x इज x रेज टू 1/3. सो देअरफॉर x रेज टू 1/3 होल क्यूब. ठीक आहे. when, see here, just for the understanding, when something it is a raised to m raised to n असलं की नाही, असं फॉर्मॅटमध्ये a raised to m into n होत आहे. ओके, m into n होत आहे. ओके, पॉवर टू द पॉवर असलं तर ठीक आहे. इकडे बी तसंच दिसालंय, काय तर पॉवर आहे त्याला आणि पॉवर आहे. सो देअरफॉर 8x raised to 1/3 into 3, बरोबर. सो 3 and 3 will get cancelled, remaining is 8x. clear? So therefore now next one, fog कळाला, let's go for Goff. So Goff x is equals to what? Again this circle splits up, will give you g of f of x. Now wait and see, this is g of x. g कुठं आहे, इकडं आहे. x आहे म्हणून x आलाय, y असलं तर y आलं असतं, z आलं z असलं तर z येत आहे. But what you have here, f of x. So f of x is going to come. So f of x whole raised to 1/3. Understood till here? Now but according to your knowledge, what is f of x? 8x cube. So therefore substitute 8x cube whole raised to 1/3. ठीक है. Whenever the sum is of the format ab raised to n, then this can be written as a raised to n into b raised to n. पॉवर दोघांना देऊ शकता तुम्ही. ठीक आहे. इथं बी तसं सेम आहे बघा, इथं दोन दुसरे नंबर आहेत. सो देअरफॉर 1/3 कॅन बी रिटन ॲज 8 raised to 1/3 x cube raised to 1/3. Now 8 raised to 1 by 3 is nothing but 2. X raised to आणि 3 cancel. No, okay, so x 1 by 3 into 3 करूया, 3 cancel, so it is answer is 2x. Okay, so let us solve the next sum, that is question number 4, where it is said that if f of x is equals to some value they have given where x is not equal to 2 by 3, and show that f circle f of x is equals to x. It means what? We have to prove again the identity for all x does not belong to 2 by 3, what is f inverse or inverse of f. Okay, so basically काम क्या है करने का पहला, so f of x is equals to 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. Okay, so you have to show that f circle f of x is equals to x. ठीक है, म्हणजे काय, f of x चेच दोन फंक्शन कन्सिडर करूया आम्ही, 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. Now what you are supposed to show is f circle f of x. ठीक है, it is the as simple as the previous. Circle splits up now, circle splits up f of x. हे f of x कुठलं भी मानून घेऊ शकता तुम्ही. पहिला f हा इकडं, so you can catch this. इथं x आहे म्हणून इकडे x आलाय, y असलं तर y आला असतं, z असलं तर z आला असतं. खरं काय आहे, f of x आहे. इट मीन्स व्हॉट, ह्या फंक्शन मध्ये तुम्ही इथं f of x लिहायला पाहिजे x च्या बदले. सो देअरफॉर which is equals to 4 into f of x plus 3 divided by 6 into f of x minus 4. ठीक आहे, कळालं. जस्ट इथं आत काय आहे ते रिप्लेस केलं. अंडरस्टूड टिल हियर? हां, नाउ बट व्हॉट यू नो, f of x is equals to this thing, so f of x च्या बदली हे लिहू शकतो मी. So therefore let us substitute 4 into 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4 plus 3 whole divided by 6 into 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4 minus 4. 4 4 जा 16x plus 4 3 जा 12 whole divided by 6x minus 4 plus 3 whole divided by 6 4 जा 24x plus 6 3 जा 18 divided by 6x minus 4. Again you are going to take LCM now. LCM कसं घेणार, हे पूरा ब्रॅकेट इथं मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. ठीक आहे, नाउ 16x plus 12 plus 3 ॲज इट इज ठेवालोय आणि 6x minus 4 इकडं लिहून दाखवालोय तुमच्यासाठी. होल डिवायडेड बाय 6x minus 4, ह्याचं होल डिवायडेड बाय अगेन 24x plus 18 minus 4 into 6x minus 4 whole divided by 6x minus 4. If you observe, I have just taken out the LCM itself. Okay, so now this and this gets cancelled because they are same. 16 plus 12 हे simplify करूया मी. So 16x plus 12 I am keeping as it is, plus 6 3s are 18x plus into minus is minus, 4 3s are minus 12 whole divided by 24x plus 18 तसंच ठेवतो, plus 4 6s are minus येते इकडे because minus plus minus 4 6s are 24x minus 24x minus plus 4 4s are 16. So therefore now again काय कॉमन आहे, plus 12 minus 12 cancel, plus 24 minus 24 cancel, 16 plus 18 32 34x divided by 16 plus 18 is 34. Here and here cancel, answer is x. It means what did we show, f circle f of x is equals to, काम काय सांगितलेलं आहे, प्रूव्ह कर म्हटलेलं आहे, प्रूव्ह केलं. ठीक आहे, जय हिंद. आता फाइंड f इनवर्स म्हटलेत. ओके, see there is only one statement, f inverse exists and f inverse is nothing but f itself. Therefore f inverse is equals to क्या है, 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. Okay, so let us see the next sum, that is fifth one. State with reason whether the following has f inverse or not. So before going to this sum, let me explain you one point. f inverse exists if the function is both 1 1 and onto. If the function is both 1 1 and onto, then f inverse exists. Okay, now let us see. They have given us f is mapping from set A to set B with the function they have already given the order pairs also. So let us see what is f of 1 out of this. F of 1 is 10, correct? F of 1 is 10. What is f of 2? 10. F of 3? 10. F of 4? 10. It means what? फर्स्ट सेट मध्ये 1 2 3 4 आहे, दॅट इज सेट ए म्हणून समजा, आणि सेट बी मध्ये एकच आहे, आणि 1 is mapping with 10, 2 with 10, 3 4. It is a kind of many one function since f of x is a many one function, therefore f inverse does not exist. Okay, so the second sub question, G is mapping from this set till this set with the what a function is given as 5 comma 4. It means what? F of 5 is equals to 4, correct? And f of 6 is equals to 3, f of 7 is equals to 4, f of 8 is equals to 2, correct? So if you observe now, let this be set A, that is 5 6 7 and 8, and let this be set B, 1 2 3 and 4. 5 is mapping with 4, 6 is mapping with 3, 7 is mapping with 4, 8 is mapping with 2. Now if you see f of 5 is equals to 4 and f of 7 is also equal to 4, therefore f of 5 is equals to 4 and f of 7 is also equal to 4, therefore this is a many one function and f is not 1 1, therefore f inverse does not exist. F inverse does not exist. So now let us see the sub question 3 from this main question 5. So if you see here in the solution, what is f of 2? Sorry, in the previous sum also we should have taken h of 2 or g of 2 होता ना, function चा definition g होता, but it's okay. So h of 2 is what? 7, h of 3 is 9, h of 4 is 11, h of 5 is 13. Okay, so this is the definition what they have given. Okay, let us draw this ellipsis A B. What is set A? It is 2 3 4 and 5, 7 9 11 13. So according to the definition, if you observe, 2 maps with 7, 3 with 9, 4 is 11, 5 and 13. So if you observe the function, therefore f is, sorry, h function is h, no? So h is 1 1, and if you observe, it means what? The second set is completely exhausted. If it is exhausted, then it is onto also. That will put it in writing, which implies that every element of codomain has an pre-image in domain, therefore f is, sorry, h is onto. Okay, so let us see the seventh question, which is the most important question of this exercise, which may appear for 5 marks in your final exam. So how we are going to solve this? Solution. See, what they are asked is f is mapping from real numbers to real numbers given by a function is given, and f is, show that f is invertible and f inverse exists. So f invertible आहे म्हणून दाखवायला आम्ही काय करतो? We basically do gof x is equals to x and fog y is equals to y. हे असं प्रूव्ह केलं तर काम संपलं. ठीक आहे, ह्याच्यानंतर स्टेटमेंट्स वगैरे ते दॅट यू विल डू व्हेरी इझिली. आता let f is mapping from real number to real numbers. The function f of x is equals to 4x plus 3. बरोबर. Now first step, कन्सिडर एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू वाय. ठीक आहे. सो एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू वाय घालून बघ. वाय इज इक्वल्स टू 4x प्लस 3. नाव इथं एक्सला इकडे ठेव, बाकी काय बी आहे ते ह्या बाजूला पटवा. ठीक आहे. सी प्लस 3 आहे, ह्या बाजूला पटवलो. वाय मायनस 3 इज इक्वल्स टू 4x. एक्स इकडेच ठेवा. y minus 3 divided by 4. Now consider x is equals to g of y. X is equals to g of y is equals to y minus 3 by 4. Did you find two functions such that f of x एकदा घालव पाहिजे, g of y एकदा घालव पाहिजे. Now let us prove that fog y is equals to y. Again you are going to open up this circle giving you f of g of y. Correct. What is this? f आहे ना. f of x बघायचं. मग f of x इकडे x आहे म्हणून इकडे x आलाय. y असलं y आलं असतं. z आहे z आलं. सो काय आहे आपल्याकडे? g of y म्हणजे काय आलं पाहिजे? g of y 4 into g of y plus 3 आहे. ठीक आहे. कळालं आता? हे y x होतं म्हणून x, g of y आहे म्हणून g of y. ओके. नाउ बट व्हॉट यू नो, g ऑफ y म्हणजे काय? g ऑफ y म्हणजे y minus 3 by 4. सो सबस्टिट्यूट दॅट. 4 हाय तसं ठेवायलाय. y minus 3 by 4 plus 3. 4 आणि 4 कॅन्सल. y minus 3 plus 3 3 कॅन्सल y. सो टार्गेट काय होता? फॉग y is equals to y प्रूव्ह करतो म्हणून निघालेलो. सो द फर्स्ट जॉब इज डन. लेट अस डू द सेकंड वन. नाउ लेट अस प्रूव्ह gof x is equals to x. ठीक आहे. आणि सर्कल ओपन होणार गिविंग यू g of f of x. ठीक आहे. सो ऍट दिस पॉइंट वेट, फर्स्ट फंक्शन काय आहे? g. मग g ला बघा कुठं आहे? g of y इकडे y आहे म्हणून y आलं. x असलं तर x आलं असतं, z असलं तर z आलं असतं. कारण काय आहे आपल्याकडं? f of x आहे. देअरफॉर इकडे f of x रिप्लेस करू. सो इट इज f of x minus 3 divided by 4. But what you know, f of x is equals to 4x plus 3. So therefore replace करू इकडं. f of x चा व्हॅल्यू काय? 4x plus 3 minus 3 divided by 4. minus 3 plus 3 cancel, 4 and 4 cancel, x. काय म्हणून चाललेलो की gof x is equals to x प्रूव्ह करतो म्हटलेलो नाही, केलो की नाही? ओके. So therefore fog y is equals to y, gof x is equals to x. Now 3 मार्क्स गावले इथपर्यंत. द लास्ट पार्ट मध्ये आणि 2 मार्क्स असतात. सिन्स fog y is equals to y and gof x is equals to x, which implies that f inverse exists and f inverse is nothing but g of y. सेकंड फंक्शन जे काय गावतंय तुम्हाला सॉल्व केल्यावरती, that is nothing but your g of y, and g of y is nothing but f inverse, which is equals to y minus 3 divided by 4. Therefore f inverse is equals to y minus 3 by काय सांगितलेले? 2 jobs. So that f is invertible. f is invertible कसं दाखवलो? fog y is equals to y, gof x is equals to x करून invertible आहे म्हणून दाखवलो. नंतरला काय केलं? f inverse exist म्हणून दाखवलं, and f inverse is nothing but y minus 3 by 4. That's it. Okay, so let us see the 8th question of the exercise 1.3. So here also the job is same as the previous one itself. Function f of x is given as x square plus 4, and your function is mapping from, let us write solution. Function is mapping from f is mapping from r plus to 4 closed interval 4 to infinity. Now tell me what is r plus? R plus is r plus is the set of all non-negative real numbers. So this is the mapping taking place. So the function f is given by f of x is equals to x square plus 4. What they have said is show that f is invertible. What they have said, f is invertible, and with f inverse as this. It means what? f inverse हे आला पाहिजे तुमचा आणि इन्व्हर्टिबल आहे म्हणून दाखवायला पाहिजे. इन्व्हर्टिबल आहे म्हणून दाखवायला स्ट्रॅटेजी काय आहे? गॉफ आणि फॉग आयडेंटिटी म्हणून प्रूव्ह करायचं. सो देअरफॉर consider f of x is equals to y. So y is equals to x square plus 4 प्लस है ह्या बाजूला गेलं तर मायनस होणार. सो y minus 4 is equals to x square. x is equals to root of y minus 4. Consider x is equals to g of y. So g of y is what now? Root of y minus. Okay, understood till here? Now let us prove fog y is equals to y. So fog y is equals to y. Circle open होणार. Circle is gonna open up and give you g of f of g of y is equals to. Now if you see here, f of x is equals to आत का है x है. That's why you are getting x. If it was y, you would get y. If it was z, you would get z. But what you have here? G of y. So therefore g of y whole square plus 4. Understood till here? But what we know, what is g of y? G of y is root of y minus 4. So they replace now root of y minus 4 whole square plus 4. So square and root gets cancelled. Y minus 4 plus 4. This and this will get cancelled. Therefore which is equals to fog y is equals to y. Clear? Next, what we are going to prove? G of x is equals to x. Again the same method, circle opens up giving you g of f of x is equals to. So first function which you have g. So therefore look at g. इथं y है म्हणून y आलाय. If it was x then you would get x. If it was z then you would get z. So therefore replace now root of f of x है इकडे करा. So it will be f of x minus 4. So f of x minus 4. Now, but what is f of x? What is f of x? X square plus 4, right? So therefore replace that root of x square plus 4 minus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel. Root of x square root cancel, which is equals to x. So therefore what I can write? G of x is equals to x. Okay, so till here almost the sum is done. The final statement you need to write. Since fog y is equals to y and g of x is equals to x, which implies that f is invertible. F is invertible and f inverse exists and is nothing but g of y. So g of y is equals to f inverse is equals to root of y minus 4. Okay, so let us solve this next sum solution. So what they have said basically is, again your function is mapping from r plus, where is r is the set of all positive numbers, is mapping from minus 5 to infinity, where f of x is given by 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Show that f is invertible with f inverse as this. Okay, so previous sum मध्ये काय करत होतो, f of x is equals to y direct मानून घेत होतो ने, but in this case it is not the similar thing. Now consider f of x is equals to y. हे करायचं नाही. Okay, you are not going to do this. What you are going to do here is you completing the square method. So this whole thing you have to bring in this format, a plus b whole square format, a square plus 2ab plus b square. ठीक है. Now what I have here, a है 9x square. I want to take this as 3x whole square ले लो तो 9x होता है, 9x square होता है. Okay, so I am writing 3x whole square plus 2 तरी मला at any cost I need 2, so therefore I am writing 2. Now out of this what you know, a चा value काय है 3x है, so therefore a चा value I will write as 3x. Okay, at this point wait, so 2 3 is 6 आणि x भी है, so it is 6x. 6x पूरा satisfy झाला आता. ठीक आहे, आणि ॲडिशनल तुला काय द्यायचं नाही आहे ते फंक्शनला. आणि ठीक आहे, काय बी द्यायचं नसलं तर आणि तुला नंबर बी पाहिजे आहे आणि काय द्यायचं बी नाही आहे त्याला, देन देर इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन नोन एज 1. ओके, सो द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ b इज नाउ 1. सो दिस इज नाउ a स्क्वेअर प्लस 2. सो b इज दिस. नाउ 1 स्क्वेअर ऍड करणार. तू काय इक्वेशनला द्यालास तेवढं काढून बी घाला पाहिजे. ओके, सो देअरफॉर -1 ऍड 1 स्क्वेअर सबट्रॅक्ट 1 स्क्वेअर प्लस एक्स्ट्रा काय आहे आणि अजून -5 उरलंय, -5 आहे तसं लिहा. ओके, ओनली दिस थिंग इज डिफिकल्ट. 3x होल स्क्वेअर प्लस 2 3x इंटू 1 प्लस 1 स्क्वेअर तसंच 1 स्क्वेअर इज 1 इटसेल्फ मायनस 1 स्क्वेअर मायनस 1 स्क्वेअर म्हणजे काय मायनस 1च नाही सो मायनस 1 मायनस 5 मायनस 6 okay so it is minus 6 now this whole thing I can write it in this format a plus b format so tell me what is a here 3x plus b काय है 1 नहीं see this is a b understood so a plus b whole square minus 6 so this is your new f of x now you are going to consider f of x is equals to y so y is equals to 3x plus 1 whole square 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6 understood so minus 6 ह्या बाजूला गया so y plus 6 होणार minus आहे तर which is equals to 3x plus 1 whole square square त्या बाजूला पाठवा root of y plus 6 is equals to 3x plus 1 plus 1 is there त्या बाजूला पाठवलं तर minus 1 so root of y plus 6 minus 1 is equals to 3x so x is equals to root of y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3 okay so now consider x is equals to g of y okay so now g of y is equals to what root of y plus 6 minus 1 divided by so did you get your two functions f of x and g of y okay let's see Goff and Fogg so Fogg y is equals to y let us prove Fogg y is equals to y again the circle opens up giving you f of g of y is equals to f आहे ना तर f कडे बघा इकडे x आहे म्हणून इकडे x आलाय if it was y it would come y if it was z it would come z but what you have g of y therefore g of y should come so therefore 3 into g of y plus 1 whole square minus 6 now but g of y is equals to this whole thing तो ते पूरा thing लिहायचा so therefore 3 into root of y minus 6 minus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 this whole square minus 6 clear so 3 and 3 gets cancelled root of y minus 6 minus 1 plus 1 इसका whole square minus 6 so minus 1 plus 1 cancel root of y minus 6 whole square minus 6 sorry root of y plus 6 याला पाहिजे or else this should be plus y plus 6 है ना so this is all plus y so square and root gets cancelled y plus 6 minus 6 any cancel so Fogg y is equals to y the first thing is solved so now let us prove Goff x is equals to x again circle will open up g of f of x is equals to g है ना g कडे बघा here it is y that's why you have got y if it was z it would get z therefore f of x है ना तर f of x याला पाहिजे इकडे so therefore it is root of f of x plus 6 minus 1 whole divided by 3 ठीक है so this equation you will get but what you know f of x is equals to 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6 हे रूट मध्ये f of x काय आहे हे आहे हे प्लस 6 मायनस 1 ब्रॅकेट हे मायनस 1 डिवायडेड बाय प्लस 6 मायनस 6 कॅन्सल रूट ऑफ 3x plus 1 whole square is remaining minus 1 divided by 3 square and root cancel 3x plus 1 minus 1 by 3 this and this gets cancelled so remaining is x so therefore Goff x is equals to x so final statement since Goff x is equals to x and Fogg y is equals to y which implies that f is invertible and f inverse exists and f inverse is equals to g of y is equals to root of y plus 6 minus 1 divided by let f is mapping so let us see the next question that is 10th question let f is mapping from x to y is invertible function show that f has unique inverse म्हणजे काय आता when you have the function as f of x you will get inverse as g of y which is equals to f inverse बरोबर मागच्या समोर काय करतो f inverse f of x रिप्लेस होते जी ऑफ एक्स फाइंड करत होतो, लास्टला काय सांगत होतो की जी ऑफ एक्सच माझं एफ इनवर्स आहे म्हणून सांगत होतो. ओके, त्यांनी काय म्हणाले, इफ यू हॅव वन फंक्शन एफ ऑफ एक्स, एक फंक्शनला एकच इनवर्स असायला पाहिजे. युनिक इनवर्स म्हणजे काय, आता g1 g2 y असं नाही, दोन दोन दुसरे इनवर्स गावायचं तेव्हा. ओके, यू शुड हॅव सिंगल इनवर्स. युनिकचा मतलब कळालं. युनिक इनवर्स म्हणजे माझ्याकडे एक म्हणजे एकच इनवर्स यायला पाहिजे. अंडरस्टूड? सो let us see now how we are going to get the same thing. So this we are going to prove it using the method of contradiction. Okay, so now how we are going to prove, let f has two inverse g1 and g2. मानून घेऊया की f has दोन inverse g1 and g2, then we have g1 of y and g2 of y. Clear? हाँ, आता त्यांनी काय म्हटलेत आम्हाला, f इज एन इन्व्हर्टिबल फंक्शन. बरोबर, इन्व्हर्टिबल फंक्शन म्हटल्यावरती यू शुड हॅव फॉग फॉग 1 इज इक्वल्स टू फॉग 2. म्हणजे हे फंक्शन 1 1 असायला पाहिजे ना. 1 1 कसं मी मानून घेतो, f ऑफ 1 1 कसं मानून घेतो तो f ऑफ x1 इज इक्वल्स टू f ऑफ x2 प्रूव्ह करत होतो ना. x1 इज इक्वल्स टू x2 म्हणून प्रूव्ह करत होतो. इन्व्हर्टिबल हाय म्हणून सांगितलं आहे, तर हे तर कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय व्हायला व्हायलाच पाहिजे की फॉग 1 इज इक्वल्स टू फॉग 2, इट शुड ओबे फॉग 1 and fog 2. So therefore now circle opens up again, giving you what, g1 of x1, correct, which is equals to f of circle open होणार g2 of x तेवढंच g2 of x. ओके, now 1 1 हाय तर हे आतलं मटेरियल बी सगळं इक्वल असायला पाहिजे. सो देअरफॉर g1 of x is equals to g2 of x. ओके, नाउ g1 आणि g2 काय म्हणून मानून घेतलेलो, टू डिफरंट इनवर्स म्हणून मानून घेतलेलो. तर सॉल्व करताना काय झालं, g1 is equal to g2, therefore g1 of x is equals to g2 of x, which implies that f has only one inverse. Therefore f has an unique inverse. 12th question what we have is, let f is mapping from x to y is an invertible function. They have said it as invertible function. Show that inverse of f inverse is equals to f. So basically what we have to show, f inverse whole inverse is equals to f. So this we need to show. So how we are going to write the solution here is, let f is mapping x to y, correct, f is mapping from x to y, x to y बराबर मॅप करायला आहे आणि फंक्शन इन्व्हर्टिबल हाय, then what is your conclusion, there should be the function g mapping from y to x. बरोबर, इनवर्स आहे ना, तर उलटा व्हायला पाहिजे की g should map from x to y such that fog y is equals to ix. ix म्हणजे काय, आयडेंटिटी फंक्शन असायला पाहिजे, and gof x should be equal to iy. हे बी आयडेंटिटी फंक्शन असायला पाहिजे. इन्व्हर्टिबल फंक्शन हाय म्हणताना हे दोन्ही सॅटिस्फाय व्हायला पाहिजे. बरोबर की नाही? ओके, आणि आम्ही काय म्हणून घेतो, पहिला तरी f of x शोधतो, काय माहिती, त्याच्यानंतर g of y करणार, गॉफ आणि फॉग प्रूव्ह केल्यानंतर काय सांगतो की f इनवर्स इज नथिंग बट g of y म्हणतो. बरोबर, सो therefore now replace g of y is equals to f inverse. बरोबर आहे ना. नंतरला काय सांगणार आहे मी, इन्व्हर्टिबल असलं तर f inverse is equals to g of y म्हणून म्हणतो. सो therefore आता रिप्लेस काय करतो, g of y बदली f inverse घालतो. ओके, कुठं घालणार, इन these two equations. अंडरस्टँडिंग? सो f तसंच ठेवणार आहे, f सर्कल f inverse is equals to ix and g बदली काय, f inverse circle f of x is equals to iy. So I have just replaced g बदली f inverse. Since for f o f inverse is equals to ix and f o f of x is equals to iy, हे काय इम्प्लाय करायलाय, हे एफ सर्कल एफ इनवर्स ला आयडेंटिटी द्यायलाय आणि एफ इनवर्स सर्कल एफ इज ऑल्सो गिविंग यू आयडेंटिटी. It means what? Both the side it is the same. Therefore, what we can say is f inverse whole inverse is equals to f. Okay, so let us see the 13th question. F is mapping from R to R given by f of x is equals to this function. We have to find form f o f of x or f circle f of x we have to find. So f circle f of x काय म्हणते आपला, see here. हे सर्कल ओपन होणार पहिला, तर मग f of x येणार f of x, ओके, which is equals to now f आहे ना इकडे फर्स्ट फंक्शन. मग जरा f कडे बघा, तिथं x आहे ना, inside you have x, that's why you are getting here x. If it was y you would get y, if it was z you would get z, but what you have f of x च आहे ना एकदा. So therefore काय करणार तुम्ही, 3 लिहिणार मायनस x च्या बदली काय लिहिणार f of x आणि होल क्यूब आहे ना त्याला, ह्याचं पूरा रेज टू 1/3, बरोबर, दिस होल रेज टू 1/3. बट व्हाट इज f of x, 3 minus x cube होल रेज टू 1/3, ह्याचं पूरा पावर 3 and the full power is 1/3. Understood? Whole to the whole power है. This 3 and this 3 will get cancelled, which will give you 3 minus this 3 will remain, x raised to 3, this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled, whole raised to 1/3, this whole raised to 1/3. So 3 minus into minus plus x cube, heads of full power 1/3, minus this 3 plus 3 cancel, x raised to 3 whole raised to 1/3, 3 and 3 cancel, x.